So this is the same question that you guys just had. You just did it on a different activity with a Nearpod. But what we're doing today is we're just explaining why subtraction strategies work. So we've learned different ways to subtract numbers, and now we're just explaining what we're doing. We're just giving a step-by-step process and explaining our thinking. Sometimes when it says explain, we get nervous and we're like, oh, because that's what the text said, or because that's what I do. And none of those work. You have to tell me step by step, just as if you were explaining math, like nobody understood. So if you're teaching it to like your little brother, your little sister, you need to give them step-by-step instructions because they don't know how. So that's what explaining is. So we've learned different strategies the last week and before spring break. One of those strategies was to use place value blocks. Something that's really cool about place value blocks is it helps you regroup. So that's really, really nice. When you draw on an open number line, it's going to help you count back or add up. So there's just two different ways that you can use the number line. You can either count backwards on it or you can add up. Some people like one way better than the other. It's totally up to you. Whatever is easiest to you, that's the way that you get to choose. And then some people really have really good number sense, so they like to use easier numbers and help them do mental math. So that's something that could work for you. So no matter what way you choose, you just have to kind of give a step-by-step instruction as you're explaining it.